Hello everyone, it's time for morning briefing, and this is sweet Magnolia from downtown Bartow, Florida. If you don't know where downtown Bartow, Florida is, you're just not as cool as you could be. Good coffee too. Well, I thought I'd talk about some heroes. You know, I'm proud of my deputies who stand in the gap between good and evil. They're simply the best. Let me introduce you to a few. This is Sergeant Stanton, Deputy Christensen, Deputy Walker, and Deputy Sheriff Goolsby, who had the drone. And here's what happened. A guy went fishing in an inflatable kayak in Saddle Creek Park. Now it's 9:15 at night, it's cold, and his kayak becomes like in trouble because it starts to deflate. It's never good to be in a deflated kayak in the water. Well, he's scared. In the process of trying to get back to shore, he loses his paddle. He's gotten up into some bushes and he's screaming, "Help! Somebody help me!" Because he's scared like you know you'd be scared. So people who are in the campground call the sheriff's office because like these guys are the best, right? So we show up and Deputy Goolsby shows up with his drone and he flies over the area and he locates our boater or our kayaker or our deflated kayaker. And we're able to work with him first to calm him down, to assure him that we're going to get him back to shore safely. And then we teach him how to use the anchor to throw it out, pull himself close enough so we can get to him and pull him on into the shore. Great teamwork. I appreciate the community leader calling us to say, "Hey, there's a dude needing help." You know how I know that? Because he's screaming, "Help!" Trained observer. All's well that ends well. The guy's safe, he's warm, he's home, and he's got a deflated kayak. See ya.